Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. It's said that this time, due to deep optimization with Qualcomm, it has set a new benchmark score for small screen phones with an official score of over 3 million, and it also comes standard with a peak gaming core. This configuration means the small body is packed with immense power.
So the question is, are small screen phones suitable for gaming?
Next, we will mainly test Honor of Kings and Genshin Impact. Before starting, activate the gaming mode from the sidebar. Enable all the frame rate, graphics quality, and resolution settings that can be turned on. In the lower toolbar, you can enable bypass charging. And further down, you can activate the game camera. Inside the settings, there's an option for instant replay, allowing you to choose a few seconds or 30 seconds. A floating window will appear on the screen, and after we're done, we can simply click the replay button above. 30 seconds should be enough to achieve a pentakill, right? The internal game frame rate can be set to a maximum of 120 frames with ultra graphics quality. Entering the game, I think the visual experience on the small screen is quite good, and the grip and maneuverability are relatively free. Regarding frame rate, I don't have a performance monitor, but by occasionally checking the sidebar, I can see that it basically maintains around 120. Sometimes it drops to about 99, but there's no need to worry about lag. The skill release and teamfight touch responsiveness are also very stable, making it perfectly suitable for ranking up. Of course, I think the game King of Glory doesn't require very strong skills. This is just my personal opinion. As long as the skills are ready, you can just unleash a burst of output. Although the visual experience on a large screen phone is better, playing on a small screen phone has its own unique charm, making it a standout among small screen phones. I now feel that OnePlus is becoming more and more like a gaming phone. While others are focusing on imaging, OnePlus is focusing on gaming, which might be a strategy.
Oppo focuses on imaging, OnePlus focuses on gaming, tackling both fronts indeed.
Next is the flagship game test, Genshin Impact, which is the most demanding in terms of configuration. Generally, phones can't run it smoothly with high frame rates and high graphics. I wonder if the OnePlus 13T can handle it.
The game sidebar can still be fully utilized, everything is maxed out.
Actually, testing for lag in this game is quite straightforward. Just choose this hero, pull the bow and arrow, and move the aim back and forth. If the crosshair keeps shaking, you can't aim accurately. I can directly conclude that the OnePlus 13T performs quite well in the test. I think it's very stable. After enabling all the advanced settings, playing at the native 120 frames per second is truly enjoyable. Both the visual experience and the feedback are excellent. The frame rate can only be accurately assessed through actual recording. It remains stable at 120 frames per second throughout, although sometimes it might drop to 119, but it quickly returns to 120. If you're willing to switch to a large screen flagship, or if you already prefer smaller screens, then I think the OnePlus 13T is perfect for you.